So in the Hilux, with the front seat pushed completely back, Rohit does not have any sort of knee room. Okay, so you can see that yes, the knees are brushing against the seat back, and it's not like, you know, completely reclined. This is how it would be. And in fact, I'll just show it to you from the front as well. Rohit is 175 centimeters. That's around 5'9.5". Let me show the headroom to you as well. Rohit has sufficient headroom. Okay, Rohit, can you put your hand above your head, like this? Yeah. Okay, yeah. In fact, let me. So that's what. See, this is okay. Yeah, I think this would be a better idea. So plenty of headroom for Rohit. And now what I'll do, I'll push the seat completely forward. In fact, see, the seat back is not reclined as if it were, you know, a recliner kind of a thing. See, so that seat is you know, adjusted as per my height. Okay, and I don't recline the seat back completely, okay, like rappers. So, and this is in line with that, right? So it's not that, you know, we are being unfair to the Hilux. We have no reason to be unfair. Now this is the maximum. Let me show it to you. Now of course Rohit has acres of knee room and leg room. Rohit, extend your feet a bit. Oh yeah. So that's, now what I'll do, I'll just put the seat to the like, you know, at its mid position. Okay, Rohit, you can now you know, put your feet back. Yeah, that is. Now Rohit, can you put your okay, so yeah, Rohit has enough leg room now, enough knee room. Yeah, enough knee room, and of course good. So now what we'll do the same in Rohit's Isuzu V-Cross. Come Rohit. Okay, now so this is a pleasant surprise. Okay, V-Cross owners would love this. And just to tell you, see, the seat is completely reclined, completely pushed back. All right, Rohit still has some knee room. Rohit, put your knees, put your knees together like this. Yeah, so he has you know what, at least 2 inches of knee room. And the best part is his knees are not, you know, brushing against the, you know, the back of the seats. In the Hilux they were. So he has somewhere around 2 inches or 1.5 inches of knee room. Okay, even with the front seat pushed back completely. Okay, now I'll check the headroom. Headroom is sufficient as well. However, I think that the Hilux has a bit more headroom, or it could be the same. The point is, you know, the headroom appears similar. And now I'll push the seat completely forward. Keep sitting. I have to show the maximum knee room as well. Rohit is getting late, but Rohit, can you push it? Yeah, this is the furthest. Oh, now of course Rohit again has acres of leg room, knee room. Rohit, I want to see the under thigh support. All right, okay. Rohit, can you shift a bit towards the center? That's it, yeah. All right, so this will give you an idea about the under thigh support. Rohit, just one more thing, quickly we'll see the under thigh support in my car as well. Just a second. All right. Let me, yeah, so all right, appears to be similar. Let me, yeah, I think this is, yeah, very similar. Cool. Rohit, thank you so much. And that's Rohit's truck. This is I'm calling it my truck because yes, right now I am driving it, I am reviewing it, but this belongs to Toyota. This will go back tomorrow. And guys, I hope you liked the effort, and do hit the like button, do leave a comment, and Rohit, thank you so much. And you know, do subscribe if you haven't already, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.